But if you talk medium term, is it a case where the markets will start doing well once again and start making new highs in a hurry? The answer is no, because I think the battle is still between domestic money and the economic issues that we are facing right now in terms of slowdown and earnings. So that will probably keep the market contained in a sort of a cage or a range for many months to come. But the bias and the trajectory is clearly up. And with what banks have done in the last 1 week, I'm very encouraged to believe that they will be the leader for the next 3 to 6 months.
So you're buying Bank Nifty, Gautam, at these levels. It's Amina joining in. And also the couple of banks that we've talked about for the last couple of months has been your your HDFCs and ICICI banks of the world, including SBI, which may not have moved as much. But your trade on Bank Nifty and your trade on your top banking picks for the December series.
See, I do believe how sectors handle difficult times is an indication of what they will do in the good times. And I think for about 6 weeks, you had the Bank Nifty stay in a range while the Nifty corrected about 10%. So on the ratio charts, which we track as technical analysts, I think it was upward sloping. And I think this underperformance of many years could now be coming to an end. Maybe it could do with what the RBI might do over the next couple of months. I think that could be something that could be getting priced in at this point of time. So I do believe that the Bank Nifty is moving towards 55,000 and it is likely to make new highs well before the Nifty, something that we are not used to. So that's one big takeaway. And if you're talking 12 months, I think the bigger target for the Bank Nifty from here could be about 60,000. So looking at a decent 7,000-8,000 point move on the Bank Nifty if somebody takes a 12-month view. If this has to happen, the top boys will have to do well. HDFC Bank has been a favorite. Every time we've interacted, we've spoken about it. The stock is trading at lifetime highs, which I'm sure makes a lot of people happy. But I think this is just the beginning of a much bigger trend. And I do see HDFC Bank moving towards 2,000, 2,200, maybe plus over a period of 3 to 6 months. And the dark horse or our favorite is clearly SBI. I think valuations, technicals, charts, you look at anything, SBI I think is setting up for 1,000 plus again. So I'm really looking at only these two names. I'm not going lower down because I think this is not a market where you can be into grade B and grade C.